Hello once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel MTech and one of my videos. So in this video I'm gonna show you some cool tricks in Windows 8. So in this video I'm gonna show you two tricks. First is about Windows Media Player. So first of all I will open my Windows Media Player. Okay guys, before starting these two cool tricks in Windows 8, so please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends. And if you have question at the end, you can ask me and write down on the comments. I will read your comments and I will make a video tutorial for that. Okay, let me launch my Windows Media Player. Okay, so from here I will just for the first time, if you open it will be like this. Okay, I will just come and copy a picture from here. Let me choose a picture from here. I will choose this one and copy it, and I will come to switch to library, and for example this one I will right click on this. Okay, before that I will just play for you. See, so it doesn't have any background on it, so I want to put a picture behind this song or in the background of this song. Okay, just I right click on this song and paste album art from here. Okay, because this song is already in playing, okay, we should paste it to another song because it was said that it cannot be pasted when the song is playing. Okay, just I will click in this one. Okay guys, see, when I play this song, so we already changed the background of this Windows Media Player. I hope you like it. So the next trick and hack about this video is I'm gonna show you when a folder is empty but it will show something on it. Okay, I will come to here. Okay, I will click I will right click on the empty area here and come to new folder, and I will rename it empty folder, empty. So see, it's empty. Okay, again I will just come to here and take a photo or picture from here. Okay, just I will choose this one, right click and copy it. There is two way. Okay, I will just show you the first way, the easiest way. Okay, I will just come back and right click on the folder. Okay, and come to properties, and after you click on the properties, this small window will open, and click on the customize, and after you click on the customize, come to choose file. When you click on this area, and you have to find that picture. Okay, I will just click here and come to take a photo, okay, or picture. I will click in here, I will choose this picture, and again I will just click on apply and okay. So guys, when I click or open this folder, see the folder is empty, but from outside it shows that there is something inside folder. So I hope you like these two tricks and these two hacks in Windows 8. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, until next video, goodbye, and I hope that you share this video with your friends and subscribe it. Goodbye.